through the day, and he sleeps through the night, and the cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl. But the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse pitter-pat tiptoe. Creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse says, too damn, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. And the coals bip-bop, and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, who's there? And then the hare hops in. Oh, Mouse says, hare, long time no see. So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. And Mouse sips wee slurps and hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, Sniffle snuffs at the door. Oh, Sniffle snuffs in the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share? I brought honey nuts, Badger said with a grin. Let's divvy 'em up, cozy down, and dig in. And they nibble, and they munch, with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. What a night, mutters Mole. What a storm, twitters Wren. And everybody clusters round the great bear's den. And they tweet, and they twitter, and they chat, and they chitter. But the bear snores on. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear and he blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes 'cause the bear wakes up. Bear growls and he snarls. Bear roars. Bear rumbles. Bear stomps and bear stamps. Bear growls and bear grumbles. You snuck in the lair and you had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none. And he whimpers and he moans, whoa. And he grovels, and he groans, oh, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse says, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, and then he gobbles, and then he sighs with delight, oh. Then he spins long tails through the cold winter night. And when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, the bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. That's how a mouse snores, I think. Oh, but